That cultural shift. Yeah. So obviously from your perspective, you're going into organizations, you're reviewing their existing sort of data strategy and the landscape going forward. How do you get that cultural change incentivized? How do you create enthusiasm across the business to create that shift towards, like you say, the greater automations, greater efficiencies, and that becomes more dynamic across the firm? So the question to you is, how do you incentivize that cultural change, and where do you go in the organization?
So to bring this to life even a bit more, let me talk you to a specific example. I think it was 2 weeks ago. There was an asset manager. They knew across the board they had to get the data. They have to get the data in better shape. So they called us, Penn, to run a workshop where we sat with everyone that you can think of is in a C-suite, right? The CEO, the CIO, the CTO, the CDO, the CRO, basically everyone. And we sat there and they told us, can you please tell us what we need to do? So then we understand it first before we can actually talk to everyone else in the organization, right? So the cultural shift is not at one layer of the organization; it's everywhere, right? And for example, there was a lady which is the head of distribution and operations, and she was telling me that they were going through a system migration process at that point. They're currently going through that, and she was worried about all the different hidden ghosts that were appearing as part of that migration. And in the table, actually, quite a few people were surprised about like hearing this. And I think one of the biggest problems that actually comes back to the cultural shift is that there's so many systemic and endemic issues that are so well hidden because you've got someone manually fixing the issue every day that not everyone understands the extent of the issue. So being able to open and put on the table, these are the issues, identifying those is the first step to make that cultural shift. Is making everyone aware of the key inefficiencies when it comes to data management.